As filmmakers and content creators, we often find ourselves shooting in unpredictable or remote filming locations, which is why having a portable power station is absolutely essential to keep our phones, cameras, lights, drones, and gear running without any interruption. And for the past few months, my favorite portable power station and the one that's proven to be really reliable is the VTOMAN Flashspeed 600. The Flashspeed 600 packs 600 watts of power with a 1200 peak power, and it also comes with 499 watt-hour capacity. This gives you plenty of juice to keep your gear running while you are on the go. This makes it a great solution for anyone who loves fishing, camping, or just spending time outdoors away from wall outlets. One of my favorite things about this power station is how compact and highly portable it is. It's easy to toss it in the back of your car, and with the dual handles on each side, it's super convenient to grab it and take it wherever inspiration leads you. Taking a closer look at the Flashspeed 600, it features multiple inputs and outputs. On the top left side, you have 400 watt AC input for quickly charging the device. You also have a 1200 watt DC input and a 200 watt solar input for charging the power station using solar panels. You also have a 12 volt output port, so you can easily charge it using your car's cigarette lighter plug, and it also features dual 100 watt USB-C ports as well as dual fast charging USB ports. This allows to charge our cameras, drones, and other equipment on set at the same time. And as you can see, on the top of the ports, you have a button for the DC, USB, and AC. This allows you to quickly enable or disable the ports. Additionally, it features dual AC outlets delivering 600 watts of continuous power with a peak rating of 1200 watts. This means you can easily power, for example, a mini portable fridge, portable stove, coffee maker, or even video lights. And as you can see, I'm able to power my Godox SL600 and SL300 Mark II with no issues. Like I mentioned, this portable power station is really handy whenever we go out filming on remote filming locations where access to power is limited. What's nice about this portable power station is it also has an extra battery link port, which allows you to connect an additional Flashspeed series battery to further expand your battery capacity, which is really nice to have. And what I really appreciate is also the huge display that allows you to monitor each port, like how much wattage each port is using, how much time and hours you have remaining depending on what you have plugged in, which is very smart and really useful. It also shows how much battery you have left and whether the ports are activated or disabled. And on each side of the power station, it features ventilation grills to avoid overheating when you are consuming a lot of power. And it also features smart features like over voltage protection, under voltage protection, overcharge protection, over discharge protection, short circuit protection, and many more. This gives you peace of mind that you are getting a high quality product that's going to last you a very long time. It also features LFP high quality battery cells with over 3000 charging cycles. This means that it will last a very long time, which is really nice to see. Whether you are in the middle of nowhere at night or simply have power outages, the Flashspeed 600 features a super bright light in the back that features 5 lighting modes. You have a low, medium, and high light, and as well as a strobe and SOS mode. And overall, the light gets extremely bright, which is definitely nice for using it at night, whether you are outdoor camping or wherever you are. As you can see, it even has a storage box for storing little items. And as for the build quality, this portable power station feels really solid. It's a high quality durable plastic that's perfect for rough outdoor adventures or any outdoor activity. And like I mentioned earlier, I mainly use this portable power station for all my filmmaking gear whenever we have long filming days, and I also use it to charge my e-bikes and other portable appliances. And overall, the VTOMAN Flashspeed 600 has been a very reliable, essential piece of equipment to our filmmaking kit, and I can honestly recommend it to anyone that is looking for a highly portable power station that packs a punch when it comes to the power, performance, and overall quality. And especially if you go out a lot, if you are, fishing, hunting, or camping, or wherever you are outdoors, this is definitely a must and I can honestly recommend it. If you want to check it out, click the link down below in the description of this video. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.